This is how you get your Easy Volume 2 ready for your newborn. Use a mirror the first time, it helps. First, adjust the sliders on the waist belt and front panel. For a newborn, set them to the narrowest position. This adjusts the seat to fit your baby's size. Open the neck support and tighten the toggle. This shortens the front panel for a better fit on smaller babies. Loosen the side straps by pulling the buckle and adjust them to your body. It makes the carrier easier to put on. Then, adjust the back strap. It should sit between the narrowest part of your shoulder blades to ease the pressure on your shoulders. Put the carrier on like a t-shirt, arms through first. Pull the waist belt high and tighten it. It should sit high and snug above your belly button, especially for a newborn. Open both buckles by squeezing the blue buttons. If the shoulder straps feel loose, tuck them into the waist belt. Hold your baby close and guide their legs through the openings. Close both buckles. You'll hear a click on each side. Tighten the side straps, fold them, and tuck them into the blue loop. Tuck the waist belt band into its loop, too. Gently tilt your baby's hips inward for a good M position. They should have support from knee to knee. Safe and ergonomic. Make sure their head sits close enough to kiss. You're good to go.